This is الدرس التاسع عشر, lesson 19 of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt, the connectors. And we are looking at drill 1, Tamreen Wahid. And here you are going to work with two connectors, ما لبث حتى and ما لبث أن. ما لبث أن means it wasn't long before. ما لبث حتى means it didn't take long before. So we're going to go through the Arabic here, and you're going to place each one of these in the correct space. So number 1, عاد إلى القاهرة منذ أسبوع ولكنه blank سافر مرة أخرى. He returned to Cairo a week ago, and however, blank traveled one more time. Once more. Number 2, كانا يكرهان العمل هناك ولهذا blank استقالا. The two of them hated, or the two of them used to hate work there, and for that reason, blank, they resigned. The two of them resigned. Number 3, ثلاثة كان عضوا في اتحاد الكتاب blank انتخب رئيسا للاتحاد. He was a member of the Writers Union. Blank, he was elected president of the union. 4, حصلوا على شهاداتهم الثانوية blank التحقوا بالجامعة. They obtained their degrees, their high school degrees, blank, they joined the university. 5, 5 أسست مدينة بغداد blank أصبحت مركزا حضاريا مشهورا. The city of Baghdad was founded blank, it became a center of a famous center of civilization. 6 حضروا إلى القاهرة blank تركوها عائدين إلى بلدهم. They came to Cairo blank, they left it returning to their country. 7 ظل أعزب لوقت طويل وعندما قابلها غير رأيه blank تزوجها. He remained a bachelor for a long time, but when he met her, he changed his mind. Blank, he married her. 8 لم تكن تعرفهم جيدا ولكنها blank أصبحت صديقة لهم. She didn't know them well, but blank, she became a friend to them. 9 تجمعوا حول السفارة في مظاهرة صاخبة ولكنهم blank تفرقوا بعد الاستجابة لمطالبهم. They gathered around the embassy in a rowdy or noisy protest. However, they blank dissipated after the answer to their demands. After there was an answer to their demands. 10 كانت تكره التدريس ولكنها blank أصبحت مدرسة ممتازة. She used to hate teaching, however, blank, she became an excellent teacher. 11 كان يحب الملاكمة ولهذا blank صار بطلا فيها. He used to love boxing, and for that reason, blank, he became a champion in it. Number 12 لم تكن تتكلم اللغة العربية ولكنها blank تعلمتها. She didn't speak the Arabic language, however, blank, she learned it. So One of the points to remember is that when you have a passive, it's most likely going to be ما لبث أن as opposed to ما لبث حتى. That's just a clue. So now that you know the context of each sentence, you should be able to fill in the blanks. مع السلامة.